baby apple.
Hello, little counters. Are you ready to go on a magical number adventure? We're going to jump, clap, and sing our way from number 1 all the way to number 10. We'll meet 1 silly monkey, 2 dancing shoes, 3 buzzing bees, and so much more. These numbers don't just sit around. They love to move, groove, and play all day. So get your fingers wiggling, your feet ready to stomp, and your voices warmed up, because it's time to sing the number song. Let's count it out and sing along. Ready? Here we go!
One little sun wakes up the sky. 2 big clouds are floating by. 3 small birds sing oh so sweet. 4 soft winds blow through the street. Count with me, it's so much fun. We'll go together one by one. From 1 to 10 we'll reach the end, and then we'll start again, my friend. 5 bright stars in the evening glow. 6 green frogs hop to and fro. 7 tall trees that touch the blue. 8 pink flowers with morning dew. 9 cool waves that kiss the shore. 10 new friends, will count some more. Count with me, it's so much fun. We'll go together one by one. From 1 to 10 we'll reach the end, and then we'll start again, my friend, my friend, my friend. 1, 2, 3, tap your knees. 4, 5, 6, do a twist. Center 8, 9, spin around. 10, jump high off the ground. Count with me, it's so much fun. We'll go together one by one. From 1 to 10 we'll reach the end, and then we'll start again, my friend, I friend. 1, 2, 3, tap your knees. Tap your knees. 4, 5, 6, do a twist. Do a twist. 7, 8, 9, spin around. All around. 10, jump high off the ground. Woo! Off the ground. Off the ground.
Wow, that was amazing! You counted all the way from 1 to 10, with singing, clapping, and even a little dancing. Let's try it one more time, super fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Woo! Give yourself a big round of applause. You're a counting superstar. We met some fun friends along the way, from silly monkeys to buzzing bees, and oh, that giggling number 6. Remember, every time you count, your brain gets stronger and smarter. So, whether you're counting toys, snacks, or jumping jacks, numbers are everywhere. Keep practicing, Keep singing and keep having fun, because learning is an adventure. Thanks for counting with us today. We'll see you next time for more songs, smiles, and number fun. Bye-bye, numbers. Bye-bye, friends. Until we count together again.
Off the ground. Off the ground.
Baby apple.